Madison, you can talk to the camera.
She's a ham.
Mm-hmm.
You're a little ham. You love the attention. You do, don't you?
You talk to the camera, sweetheart.
You tell him.
Well, you were just talking a lot a second ago.
Hey. Now you do it. You do it. Oh! Oh! Dee-doo. Ding-ding-doo. Look at that drool.
I know.
Can you sit down for me?